Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So how about the only thing that you need for this video is an old dirty sock or towel and some alcohol. It's really simple. So as you can see, I have some old gunk, everything on my lace. I have Ghost Bond glue. I have Gots to Be glue. I just got all types of glue on there. So I'm going to show you guys how to get that off just using one ingredient. Don't need no extra bodies. I got that connect with me. It's why you connect. So as you can see, I just have so much stuff on here. So literally, I'm just patting and rubbing the lace, just trying to get all of that off. I don't have a specific method as to how I do it. I kind of just do it. I'm not really messy with things, but with this, I just really don't care how I'm rubbing it, just as long as I get that glue off. And this is also pretty good for when you want to wear your wig tomorrow. You just go ahead, take the alcohol, get the glue off, and it's ready to wear tomorrow. You don't have to wash it, wait till it dries, or anything like that. Only longing for persistence, only want something consistent. Does it make you nervous? I'm not afraid to say what I want. Does it put fear into your heart that I know where I started, far from where I begun? Cause I know every man has a fear of a strong-minded woman, but I say she's a keeper if she got it on her own and keeps it running. If she can keep it all running. If she can keep it all running. Keeps it running. If she can keep it all running. Keeps it running. If she can keep it all running. Keeps it running. If she can keep it all running. Keeps it running. If she can keep it all running. Sometimes the town just brings you down, but we feel no pity. Don't need no extra bodies. I got the connect with me. It's why you connect with me. It's why you could step with me. Why you can go hit the carpets. Go ahead and get dressed with me. Make me forget my ex and you on to the next with me. Love has everything to do. Bobby needs his credits with me. Always sit up. You saw right through every last bit of me. I should have known it from your energy. We've got this synergy. Your soul's close like it remembers me. And still to me, 90 degrees in California. You put chills in me. Said it's something. So as you can see, I've made my way around the lace. You want to make sure you get every piece of glue off, because when that glue is old and tacky, it literally sticks to everything, and it is not a pretty feeling when it's getting on your fingers or your clothes or anything like that. So you want to make sure that you really take your time and get all the glue off. It doesn't matter if you're getting alcohol on the hair, it's just alcohol, guys. Chill out. I changed the way they looking at us, women making music. Go put back on the ground, stop making us look so stupid. Not worried about these niggas, unless issue, then I'm choosing. Even if I chose, I feel like you're the right decision. Yeah, you got aspirations, you ain't fucking up the vision. I love that you not worry about any other niggas. Only longing for persistence, only want something consistent. And literally just like that, I'm done. So I'm just going over the lace just to make sure I got everything, just to make sure that everything is gone. And just like that, everything is smooth, everything is off of there. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with the results. And this took less than 5 minutes. What? Your lace should look really clean and neat after you're done. Thanks guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to click that bell to be notified every time I post. Thanks guys.